Oh my God, guys, look at that butt. It's so foul. It looks like one of those ciggies that affects the waterways. I mean, that butt, it's just so environmentally unfriendly. I cannot believe it's so unruly. It is like out there. I mean, gross.
Ew.
Ugh, it has to go. Yuck.
We like bin bustin', cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a dolphin catches a nicotine tank, pollution in its face, it gets hung. Wanna pull up tough? Cause you notice that butt is stuck. In the ocean, they are swallowing. I'm shocked and I can't stop hollering. May, I wanna stop here. Please don't be a tosser. We're just trying to warn you about those impacts. All these toxins, just pick it up and put it in the bin. Bin me, cause you don't wanna see me. I seen them smoking, to hell with dolphins choking. Some toss a cigarette, just coming like a turbo vet. And I'm tired of human beings who think flicking is the thing. Take the dolphin man and ask him that. You gotta dispose of that, so fellas, does your girlfriend been the butt? So tell him, bin that cigarette butt, baby, bin that butt. Baby, bin that butt. Baby, bin that butt. Baby, bin that butt. I said, bin that butt. Baby, bin that butt. Baby, bin that butt.